What's up guys, Widge the Wiz here. Today I'm in Redmond, Washington at MotoFish Studios. Today they are unveiling a magazine that features a rally driver who primarily drove a Nissan Z. So they have us out here today in all of our Zs. They got us all parked up in here just to come together, talk about it, look at the magazine, and have a good car meet. So today guys, I'm gonna walk around, get you some of my favorite shots, and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, check this out. This is Dave's 2005 Nissan 350Z Anniversary Edition, twin turboed. He has put a lot of time and effort into this car, and man, it just looks great. And it sounds awesome too. I heard it driving away the other day from another meet, and he said that he would give me an exhaust clip a little bit later today. But man, you gotta love the 35th anniversaries, right?
And I'd like to find some kind of, I just don't know any good options.
It looks like it's probably
That's not a stock is 250. I'd like to bring it out just
that's awesome.
Yeah, that's kind of where I'm looking at.
Yeah,
I'm going with the 750.
Oh, gotta love the Brembo's track edition. Very nice. I guess this would be the Z35, the new 400Z. Or I think they're just calling it the Z now. My guess is that this was either a Grand Touring or a track version at the start of its life, but judging by the navigation system, I'm going to say it was a Grand Touring. All right, let's go take a look inside. Very nice Type R. Ooh, another one. I love that. Alright guys, Dave is gonna give me a ride in his twin turbo 350Z. Say hi, Dave.
Hey! Woohoo!
Alright guys, let's go check it out. Man, dude, this thing pulls. Oh my god. Oh man, holy wheel spin. right, guys, well, that's been an amazing time here out at Motofish Studio in Redmond, Washington. Please go check out Avants. These guys are super cool. I got to meet a lot of cool people today, some other YouTubers, and overall, had an awesome day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.